Welcome to this new Google Slides lesson. Google Slides is an online presentation tool that allows you to create presentation slides, collaborate and share presentations that include all kinds of media. In today's lesson, we will cover the following topics. We will learn how to create a new presentation, choose a theme and layout, change background, color or image, add and edit the content, create and arrange slides, and last but not least, duplicate a slide. To create a new slide, you need to first log into your Google account. Then the easiest way to create a slide is to open Google Drive, click New, and here you pick Slide, Google Slides. You have two options, blank presentation and from a template. We will learn how to create slide from a template in future lessons, but for now we're gonna choose the first option, blank presentation. I click, and here it's creating my slide. The slide, when it's first created, it's untitled, so I'm gonna change that to something different, and I'll call it lesson 1. So now my slide has a name. This is to add a title. I'm just gonna say Google Slides, and here for subtitle I'm just gonna say lesson 1, for example. Okay, so this is my first slide. To create another slide, all I do is click here and it creates another slide for me. Google gives me different themes to choose from, and what a theme is, basically it is a preset group of colors, fonts, backgrounds and layout. So all these are themes made for us. We can use them. As you can see here, it changes the background, the fonts, it changes the colors as well, and the layout of the slide. So if I choose this one, for example, I have a different layout, I have different font, different color. You can see here, this is the first page, the second page. Its layout is different. If I choose this one, then I have totally different fonts, layout, color, background, everything is different. I will go with maybe this one. So here I'm gonna add a title, and I'm gonna say, for example, create a slide. Okay, and here I'm gonna edit the content, so I can put whatever I want. I can say, for example, part 1 and part 2, for example part 3, and I can select all these here and turn them to bulleted list, as you can see here. So this is how we add content and edit content in our slide. And of course it doesn't have to be a bulleted list, it can be also a text here or a small paragraph if you want to add a paragraph to your slide. Next we will learn how to change the background. What the background is basically a picture or a color behind your slide's content. Alright, to change the background, what we do, let me close this here. I select the slide and I go to background. I can change its color, maybe give it this color, for example, and there it is. Or I can customize the color and, for example, go like that, make it more transparent. Or if I have hexadecimal code, I can just drop it here and it changes my color. I'm gonna cancel. I can also change the layout of my slide. For example, if I add another slide, this is the normal layout, but if I don't like this layout, I can change it. So I come here, I click this arrow here, and maybe I will choose this layout instead. It's called section title and description. So I come here like that, and here I have my title. For example, I say change layout, and here let's say, for example, example 1, and here I add whatever content I want to add. When I add another slide, and here I can also change its layout to this now, and you can see how I can add and change layouts as demonstrated in this example. Okay, we can also arrange slides. For example, if I want this slide to be the second slide, all I do is drag and drop it here. If I want it back to its spot, I just go back here and bring it back here. If I want maybe these two slides to be right here and this one, make this one the last one, so what I do, I click, then hold the shift button, down arrow, click the second one. Now I'm gonna drag both of them and bring them here and drop them. And this is how we rearrange our slides. Now to duplicate a slide, for instance, I have this slide that's different, it uses different background. If I wanna duplicate it, right click here and choose duplicate a slide, this option right here, and it duplicates it for me. As you can see, 4 and 5 are similar slides. This was a quick and brief introduction to Google Slides. Thank you for watching, and you have a good day.